Hello and welcome back. I think this is probably going to be the shortest video of the entire series. I just want to throw out there, as many of you already know, that the Arduino platform has in it a serial communication system. I haven't been using it because my goal is to make this robot fully autonomous, and I want to see what's happening to it on the playing field when we do sumo or whatever. But I think now is a good time to introduce it so you can see what's actually happening. And when we build the sensors, you'll be able to test it on the bench. Ultimately, there's really nothing you have to do additional so far as hardware. Code-wise, I've only added 2 lines. You can see here I've added a serial begin 9600 baud, nice stable baud rate that the computers all seem to universally accept. And the only other piece of only other line of code I've added is right here. I have a serial.print line. I want it to give me a new line every time it pulls this up. And what I'm doing is I'm going to get the value that's coming off of analog read 0 prior to the shifting of the bit 2 times. So you're going to see the raw value. The access to the serial window is going to be here in Tools. And if I go to Serial Monitor, you can see it popping up. This is identical code as before, except these 2 lines, and I've changed this rate. I believe I used to have it at maybe 50 milliseconds. Now we're doing it twice every second, or 500 milliseconds. So it's slow enough that we can, really see it. And you can see that if I put my finger over the sensor, okay, the lights change. You can see it counting up higher and higher. Remember, we shifted those bits 2. Alright, so it's not perfect. You can only go to 255 with these 8 LEDs, but down here on the window that you see here, it goes up as high as 500 and what we saw, brief 570. So it all works beautifully. So when we hook up the next sensor, we're going to look at it with this serial window. That's it. Told you it would be short, and I'll see you again soon.